Hello my people, let me take you through on how to bake a chocolate cake. Now here is the recipe and the process. Come and see what we got. Now it's time to measure our ingredients. I'm doing 2 kg. So with the recipe you can do 1 kg. So I'm going to measure flour. Flour which is 460. Flour is 460. Cocoa which is 40. Remember it's alkaline cocoa. Alkaline cocoa which is 40. Bicarbonate soda which is 10 grams. Remember I did 2 kg. It's good for you to name your ingredients, your colors, your things which you are going to use to bake. It's good for you to label them. So here we are good. It's just mixing. So you mix flour, baking soda and cocoa together. Put aside. It's time to measure our liquids. I'm going to go with the sugar. The sugar is 500. The sugar is 500. Now it's time for the vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is 700. After vegetable oil, I'm going to go with the vanilla. 10 grams. I'm going now to put in the machine sugar, vanilla, and vegetable oil. Before I mix, I'm going to add 10 eggs. Remember the eggs, you should break them in a separate bowl before you put to the main bowl. So we're going to mix them together. Remember you are building the air bubbles, so you need to mix it on a higher speed. If you don't have I'm using the K-Beta. This is the K-Beta because I don't have the balloon whisk, but if you have the balloon whisk, it will work better. We are going to mix until it puffs. Then we will add our flour, then to the tins. Sometimes you can add caramel to give it a good taste, and still it has a good flavor. Or chocolate, you can add here, you can add chocolate flavor. You can add chocolate flavor as well. How it's going on? You can see it has doubled. It has doubled, by the way. We've set up the machine. Our mixologist, you can see it's good now. It's time to put our flour. I'm going to mix the flour using this whiskey. Then I'll put the machine because I don't have a balloon what. So I'm just going to mix this one. Since I don't want it to spit away. And also you make your chocolate cake. Even you don't need a machine, you can just use your whisk and make a good chocolate cake with a good texture, good taste. Just beat it like that. Don't put a lot of bubbles when you are mixing. And here we have our chocolate cake. Very nice, very tasty, very dark. Even it's darker, you can add more cocoa. But for me, I like it like that. Giving it a touch of the mixer, then we transfer the mixer to the baking tin. So it's done. It's done. Baking time 30 to 35 minutes when you put in a different tin. Time now to use our lid. So we'll just separate it in 3 tins. Remember, this is 2 kg. So I'm going to put like 400 in each, or you can put it in a 500. I'm giving it like this one is 600. Aside, another 600. Another 600. This one it's almost this one is 700. Aside, and then the last one. Last but not least, look at this thing, the way it's draining. Inamwagika kumwagika walai. Ha! Inamwagika vizuri. Inamwagika nicely. Look at this, very nice. So that's how you do your baking a chocolate cake using a vegetable oil. So our mixture, it's ready to go to the oven. Remember, I have preheated my oven. Already I've preheated my oven, so my oven is put it at 180 degrees Celsius. But make sure you learn your oven, because ovens are different and they give different heat. So remember, don't compare yourself your oven with another oven. So just learn your oven and you understand it. Baking time, we have set 35 to 40 minutes, but because we have separated the mixer into 3 parts, it will take less of that time than when you put it in a bowl in one baking tin. So let's see what we'll be having after. The baking time starts now. Very demure.